This is the same 1993 Lakewood 20-inch 3-speed box fan model 223 that I had in my other video, except this video is a bit better lit and in better quality because my camera's set a lot different now. My computer's been updated a little bit. It runs the same as it did before. It's probably a little bit dustier now because I've been using it in the door wall every day, which is behind me. Yes, it's raining outside. You can probably hear that in the background. Actually, it's storming and thundering, so there's probably some thunder in the background too. This fan's in the same condition. It's missing a couple more vents in the back grill because the front grill is not very brittle, but the back grill is getting pretty brittle. I do have a different grill for this fan. I just gotta get it and put it on there because it's at my aunt's house. The grill, it's not missing any slats. The front's got so little slats, I'm not gonna bother replacing it. But the back is pretty busted up. Yeah, it's exactly the same as the last video, except maybe a little bit more broke up and a little bit dustier. So, that's my Lakewood box fan, and thank you for watching this video.